Imagine you are having a business idea. Do you want a business partner who has already done billions of business or at least somewhat business? And that help would be absolutely adorable for you, right? Well, in the last video I told you about Bob Proctor, that he owns Proctor Gallagher Institute. Now, as evident, Bob Proctor came from there. Now, what this Gallagher means? Do you know why I make these videos? Because I want to know how rich people became rich, and I also want to share my experience with you guys. So do subscribe this channel only if you have the guts to stand strong for yourself. In 2006, Sally attended the first ever seminar of the Bob Proctor. And to be surprising, she was told that it was a leadership program which she usually attends. Now, why she attended the leadership program? Because she was used to work as a lawyer. She was already at the top of the corporate ladder. But when Bob Proctor asked, "What do you really want? What do you really want?" she opened her diary and read in her teeny tiny letters, which were only legible to her, that she wanted to be a business partner of Bob Proctor and the inside circle of Bob Proctor. She wanted to be the part of the inner circle of Bob Proctor and his company. Now, that was a very big dream for Sally, because she was just a lawyer and she was wondering what her father would say. After the seminar, when they both met and she told the Bob about her intention, and then she afterwards added that what my father would be thinking about saying. So Bob looked at her from up to down and looked at her and asked her, "What's your age?" So she was quite shocked at that time, and Bob again asked her, "What's your age?" And then she realized that, oh, it's her life, it's her own decision. She told Bob that she has done the business of billions already. Bob said, "You mean millions?" She said, No, I mean billions. And that's how their partnership grew up. She ended up the role as a CEO in Bob's company, but she doesn't left her own lawyer practice. After a while, Sandy found herself in the Bob's office, but doing her law practice. So Bob came in marching into the office and he asked Sally, "What do you want? Are you in or are you out?" So she was very confused at that time. See, she was not confused. She wanted to be the part of the Bob Proctor's inner team circle because she was liking the result the Bob was getting, but at the same time she was afraid or nervous to step out of her own cocoon. So Bob once again asked her, "Are you in or are you out?" So it was the time of the decision. See, she already has the mail drafted in her mail, which was to be sent not to just one or two or three people, but to 2,000, more than 2,000 of people, including her clients, including her colleagues and her father. So somehow dreadedly she hit the send button.
Like for me, I kept coming up with my B-type goal of expanding on the law. It was all tied to being a lawyer. It was all tied to working with banks and other financial institutions. But it's not really what I wanted, so it didn't inspire me. What was happening? The paradigm was holding me down.
So they found the Proctor Gallagher Institute, and the website of which I am showing to you, discovered the science of getting rich, and I told you about it is written by Wallace D. Wattles. And tell us what you want and we'll show you how to get. Led by the legendary Bob Proctor and his brilliant business partner Sandy Gallagher, the Proctor Gallagher Institutes help people get in touch with themselves, who they are, what they are capable of, and what they want in life. And they are offering the variety of events, programs, products, books, and decades of research. See, they are into this study more than 61 years. Bob Proctor is 87 years of age right now, and he started studying around the age of 26 years. So it's a very long time he has been studying, and the institute is dedicated to waking the world up so more people can reach their potential and live the way they truly want to live through shifting paradigms. And even they are having free webinars, lot of free webinars, and in fact, if you'll be YouTube the Proctor Gallagher Institute, you will be finding lots of video which will help you out. And obviously, because he has earned the millionaire, so there is nothing to lose. You can learn from him open heartedly. And since Bob Proctor is a teacher of law of attraction, he has also worked in the movie The Secret with Rhonda Byrne. And the next other thing which I want to share with you guys is the key takeaway from his lifestyle or his lessons. The first one is repetition. So, you see, you want to get results, but you are unable to get results somehow. Why? Because your paradigm is standing in your way. The way you think, the way you are having the habits of the things, doing the things, the way you talk, the way you walk, the way you sleep, eat, everything you do. It's related to paradigm. And if you want to change your paradigm to get into the results, you gotta change it. And the basic example he gives is how a child remembers his name. You'll meet a newborn child and you'll ask his parents or her parents like what's the name, and then you'll call the name, and that person won't respond to you, that baby won't respond to you, and it is after the repetition 100,000, 10,000 times that the baby finally remembers his or her name. Oh, you'll call Samiksha. Oh, I am Samiksha. Yes, tell. Like that. It happens like that. And the same way it has been your conditioning since childhood, which has been settled deep down upon. And if you really want to bring in the results, the kind of results you desire, you need to change your paradigm, and you can change your paradigm only through the repetition. Repetition is the key. In his majorly videos, he has repeated this point. And here is my second biggest takeaway: self-image.
Do you know that you have an image of yourself inside? When you stand in front of a mirror, you see a reflection of the physical you. But that's not the real you. You have a picture of yourself in your mind. Do you know Dr. Maxwell Maltz wrote a book back around 1960. It was called Self-Image Psychology, Psycho-Cybernetics. It's a phenomenal book. He said it was the greatest discovery of his generation. He was a cosmetic or reconstructive surgeon, and he found he would do work on people. He might have been a nose job or removed a terrible scar. And he noticed that when he did that, there was a phenomenal change in their personality. But he noticed with others, he would make a phenomenal physical change, and there was no change in their personality. And that led him to postulate that we have two images. We have the one that's coming back from the mirror, but we've got an inner image. And that inner self-image is literally controlling our life. You will find people that have a very poor self-image or low self-esteem. They won't look you straight in the eye. They're afraid to shake hands with you. They're very shy and withdrawn. They go through life hiding from life. They don't like themselves. They don't know themselves. Do you know when a person improves their self-image, they change their entire life? Their income changes, their relationship changes, their health changes. And do you know how you do that? Start studying you. Start to find out more about you. There's something phenomenal about you. Do you know when I began to study this material 57 years ago, I had very poor self-image. I had low self-esteem. I took dumb jobs. I never earned any money. I never had fun. I had poor relationships. And as I started to study real solid information, everything in my life started to improve. I've got friends all over the world today. I earn millions of dollars. I'm in my 80s and I get as much energy as a person in their 30s. Do you see, when you start to understand really who you are, you're God's highest form of creation. There's things about you that just about blow your mind as you start to study and really understand them. You'll walk a little taller. You'll stand a little straighter. And you know something? You'll enjoy a whole lot more of life.
So guys, what's most amazing thing about this man is that he chooses to be productive. He chooses to study out every single day of his life. And do comment in what is the attribute which you admired the most or which you like the most. Thank you guys.